Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on today's episode is give you some reasons why Cardano is ready to 10x. So we are at $1 again, so we're going to dive into this, but first we got to talk a little bit about Bitcoin. And of course, if you guys haven't already checked out, guys, I've done so many different videos on Cardano, different price predictions. This would be my most up-to-date. So if you guys do want to get a loose moose, realistic Cardano price prediction, I give you guys a high end as well as a low end. So that video is doing pretty well. I'm not going to lie. I mean, I took the trends title, put it right in there. But I gave you guys my honest opinion. So other than that, we also have online courses and links for you to save on hardware wallets. So we'll bring you towards that at the end. But what we're going to do now is talk about Cardano. And right now, I want you guys to give me your prediction for beginning February. Let's say February 1st. What is going to be the price of Cardano? Okay. What's the price of ADA February 1st? And a lot's happening between now and then. Okay. So Bitcoin's doing well. But guys, Trump is going to be in. It's the first ever pro-crypto president who's in office in the U.S., partnering with different people. I believe Charles, who knows, he's probably already met with him. I know he's already met with RFK. RFK even, he was supposed to be at Rare Evo, but he did zoom in. So that was kind of cool to experience. Okay, so the entire administration on the Republican end, and the Moose is Canadian anyways, but we do follow this for crypto purposes, right? As an investor, you have to know what's up. And if you guys take a look at the price of Bitcoin, it's doing well. And the reason I believe we're going to go much higher, because Bitcoin's going to lead the way. Cardano will follow, just like other alts. Guys, look at the cycles. So here's the Bitcoin halving. This is the biggest cycle. This is going to be what a lot of people are calling the super cycle. We could get to egregious numbers. In egregious in the good way. Let's call it outstandingly good, not bad. So here we've got, I guess this would be the updated version. Let's go up here. Let's go down here just to give you guys an idea. So typically 6 months to 12 months after the halving, that's when the market peaks. And that's important to know because as much as history won't exactly follow the way it did previously, it will be similar, right? It does rhyme, okay? A lot of things that you experience in your life are going to be similar in the future. They may change, but they will be similar, right? The sun will rise, the sun will set, Bitcoin will dump, Bitcoin will pump, okay? So we have the halving, and what this means is that because we only have a certain amount of Bitcoin left, when people mine and earn some of the remaining supply, it now gets reduced in half every 4 years. So it gets exponentially more difficult to get the remaining Bitcoin. So back here, let's say you were earning 50 Bitcoin, then it went to 25, 12.5, 6, and then 3.15, I believe is where we're at. Then in 2028, you're only going to get like 1 Bitcoin, okay, when you're mining, which is already difficult. And you guys know how that goes. So I believe we're around here. If you look at previous cycles, I believe we got a 2x, maybe 3x. It sounds crazy, but I believe we're gonna get at least to this orange zone. So probably 250, 260. That's where I think, and I would call it maybe end of the year. So if that happens, okay, so that's Bitcoin. Right now it's doing very well on the week. So there's been a lot of fear in the market. People are like, oh, it's over. It's not over. We haven't even started. So alts have not ran. In Cardano, in my opinion, with the likes of smart contracts now, with different partnerships, guys, there's most likely going to be a stable coin. That could be I believe it's RLUSD. It's going to be potentially the Ripple stable. Maybe Cardano will come up with something better. USDC, I would like to see that on Cardano. That will be a different topic. But guys, look right here. This is 2021. When ADA was at $1, boom, went nuts. Okay, market peaked around $3. Okay, I think we're at a similar spot. Okay, we're probably going to have a little shoot up, come down, and then we're going to have a mega breakout. Okay, I don't know exactly when this is going to be. But with so much being developed with Cardano, it's a number 9, which is a big deal. Cardano is a top 10 crypto. By the way, Sui's been crushing it. Good for Sui. The Moose got a little loose on some Sui at that last dip. So, but guys, Cardano right now sitting pretty well and has a long way to go. I talked about already. This thing could 10x because I believe we're going to get to $500 billion market cap roughly, maybe a little bit less. I could see us peaking there. Last cycle, I believe we're at 90 billion in market cap. There were not smart contracts. You didn't have NFTs like we did today. I believe it was CNFT. Now you got JPEG Store. What else? You got Midnight Airdrop that's potentially going to be coming out this year. All these different games. We got Dega with AI. We have all these different sectors. And guys, Cardano has stood the test of time. Think about that. Cardano's been around for a long time now. So even here you got a little comment. Cardano seeks to enhance its DeFi ecosystem by integrating Ripple's RLUSD. Who knows? That would be cool. But I do believe that Charles has been speaking with Ripple CEO, Garlinghouse. So that's a big deal. And we know he's already met with Trump and potentially the administration. So guys, this is a big deal. I've been talking about interoperability. Okay, these blockchains, they're going to be speaking with one another. Okay? Guys, think about your app. Think about your mobile phone, your devices. Okay? And guys, I was around. When I went to college, I was 17? I remember I had a flip phone at the time. Then we just had like a Samsung. It was when the iPhone came out, basically. And apps weren't a thing. Instagram was not around. So the Moose is pretty old now. But I see these things. I was one of the first ones in my school to have a laptop. So I've always been on the forefront of this. I'm a macro investor. Guys, I have a mindset for this. I'm telling you, not financial advice, but I can see what's happening. It's hard to explain, but I can see it. Guys, I bought Pokemon cards, sealed product, because I knew that there was a lot of demand, and it went up 3x. Guys, the Moose has resorted to Pokemon investing, okay? In Lorcana. I got Lorcana the first chapter, sealed. Like a savage, up 2x in a month, okay? So, I don't know what else to tell you guys. The Moose is getting loose. So guys, comment down below, what's the price of ADA short-term and long-term? I believe February 1st, we will see a $2 Cardano. A $2 Cardano. I know it's a crazy prediction, but I think people are going to get so excited. Now, do I think it's going to stay there? I don't know. It might be pretty volatile, but I think we could hit a $2 ADA. Maybe a low end. Let's give it $150 because $2 is pretty high. But I could see it because people are going to get excited. They're going to think, oh, crypto, I need to buy now. I need to buy at 100,000 because 16,000 it was too expensive. You guys know how it goes. So guys, use code MOOSE. If you are not protecting your crypto, you guys have to protect your crypto. Okay, use code MOOSE. You guys can pick up a 3-card set, 2-card set. I believe this is like $50 or something. So I'll let that load. But guys, I did recent videos. I did a full setup video with seed phrase. Okay, so I did that for you. We also have an unboxing. So if you want the unboxing experience, watch that video. Okay. So here, $50 for the 2-card set. You can also get the Tantrum Ring or the 3-card set. This one's pretty cool. I think I would go with the stealth version though, personally. I think that would get the Moose loose. So guys, with that being said, let's see ADA pump. And guys, comment down below. What are your predictions? What do you think's happening? What are you hodling? How loose have you gotten this week? Cheers.